when you're not really there.
Okay, well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a rush, but yeah, so I just got out of work and I have to go for my hair. I don't know if you see my most recent videos, you know how my hair is. I like this copper-ish color, but I'm trying to go blonde. I'm gonna go blonde, I think, today. Hopefully, if she can get me there, or at least a little bit. I'm definitely going blonder, so I'm like more ashy. So I'm excited. And I don't know. I've always wanted to go blonde, like for the longest. Okay, so I'm freaking blonde. What? What? Guys, don't know how I'll be. Can't believe I'm blonde right now. Little shook. Little shook. Don't know how I feel. Don't know how to act. Maybe it will grow on me more. Still can't get over this hair. Hello world. I am so dead, but still going out. Don't know where.
Oh my god, people are gonna stare at me.
You know, it's all good in the hood. Yeah. Shopping at Whole Foods. My home. Welcome to my crib.
Literally though. This is
I love food.
I like vegan food.
And I'm going vegetarian soon.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Hello.
Vlog, it's me. This was so unexpected. I was like, huh.
You know what? Unexpected things are the best. Because, like, we didn't plan this, and if we would have planned this, it wouldn't have worked out. So, you know, here we are.
Concentrate mode. Disgusting. I'm gonna have every like non-vegan attack me now.
No, I'm getting Halo Top. I just don't know which flavor to get. So that's all hard.
I found vegan muffins. This is my cart.
Yeah, our cart is pretty full. Devil's Food is just like a darker chocolate. Decisions.
Very big decisions. Because I'm getting the blueberry, but I don't want the cranberry. Those are lemon.
These are cute. Coffee cakes.
Thank you. Say less. Okay.
Successful shopping day in Williamsburg, Humboldt.
I gotta think.
Oh, I know where we are. Okay.
No, we got the thing. But yeah, so, successful day.
Not for me.
Yes, you got Whole Foods.
I splurged on muffins. Literally though.
Oh my god.
And chocolate oat milk.
Yeah. So we're just like walking in Williamsburg.
Yes.
Just two Queens girls.
I want a drink.
I told you we could so do it.
Twisted tea.
Really, I'm not joking.
21-year-old drink.
Okay, so I just got back from dropping Gabby off, and I'm gonna just show you what I got from Whole Foods because you really couldn't see it when I was in there, and now you can see my hair better too. But yeah. First two things, I've been wanting to try this for so long, and I'm kind of like I said, I'm leaning more towards vegetarian. I really don't eat a lot of red meat, so I'm trying to like lay off that stuff, and I'm kind of lactose too, so I'm trying to like lean off of a lot of dairy products as well. So I got 2 things of Halo Top. The first one I got because I've heard this is really good. This is the chocolate covered banana, and it's 320 calories per pint, and it's dairy free. They used coconut milk, so this is this one. I'll also do like a video if you guys want. I think I'm gonna do that after this. How I lost like 5 pounds in like a week, a little over a week. It was like a week and a half about, and I'll tell you guys what I did, and it's like the simplest thing. I feel so much better. I feel better. I'm not bloated, everything like that. So I'll do a video on that coming up, because I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle, and it's definitely showing in my body and everything like that. The one I got is this Halo Top mochi green tea. It's also 320 calories per pint. It's a good source of protein. I think this one vegetarian friendly, all natural, no trans fat. I don't think this one is dairy free, but yeah, it says milk and cream eggs. So this one isn't, but the other one is, and I really wanted to have green tea because I love mochi green tea. One of my favorite things. And then I got, let's see, I didn't get a lot. My cousin got a lot more because she's more into that stuff. She's like full on vegan now. Then I got 2 of these almond butters from the brand Justin's. I got a vanilla almond butter, and then I got a chocolate hazelnut butter blend. So I got these 2 because I wanted to try those out, and she like insisted that I would buy these. These are the Dr. Prager's California veggie burgers, 120 calories per serving, and it has carrots, peas, broccoli, spinach in this, and there are 4 burgers. I've been into veggie burgers. I eat them so much. That was just my little haul from Whole Foods. That was actually like my first time in Whole Foods, which is crazy. We went to the location in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. So here is more of an up close of my hair, what it looks like now. These are my natural roots. My natural color, and yeah, the toner she used on me, I believe, was like ash, but not ash at the same time. Like she said, it was ash, but she didn't want it to be like gray or anything like that. So this is what it looks like. I didn't realize it was gonna be this blonde. I know I wanted to go blonder, but I didn't realize it was gonna be like this, but I love it. I did do balayage. I did balayage the past time, and it was more of like a caramel honey, and now it's like full on blonde. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you like my hair like this, or you like it darker, or you like it like in the middle, what I had before this. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching this video. Please comment down below any other videos you want me to do, and thank you guys for making me hit 500. Means the world to me. I've been working on my channel for a long time, and just means the world to me to have that number, and have that many followers, and that you guys are supporting me. I know it's not a lot to a lot of people, but to me it is a lot, and it means so much. So thank you guys for sticking around with me and supporting me on my YouTube journey. And yeah, so thank you guys all for watching again. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new here. And yeah, I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.
When you're not really